Miami Beach, sunshine, beaches, need I say more? It's the perfect place for a family vacation, and I'm going to tell you why. Imagine warm breezes, sparkling water, and enough activities to keep everyone happy. From building sandcastles to exploring museums, Miami Beach has something for everyone in the family. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Miami Beach is where memories are made. Picture this: kids splashing in the waves, parents relaxing on the sand, and everyone soaking up the sun. Whether your family loves adventure or relaxation, Miami Beach has it all. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for some fun in the sun. Trust me, you won't regret it. Start your day the Miami way. Wake up to the sound of waves crashing and feel the warm sand between your toes. Take a family stroll along the beach, collect seashells, and breathe in the fresh ocean air. The beach is your playground. Miami Beach is super kid-friendly. You'll find lifeguard stations all along the beach so you can relax and let the little ones splash around safely. Need a break from the sun? No problem. Duck under a colorful umbrella and enjoy a refreshing drink while the kids build sandcastles. Don't forget to slather on that sunscreen. After a morning of sunshine and sand, it's time to explore. Miami Beach has amazing parks perfect for picnics and playtime. Let the kids run wild on the playgrounds, toss a frisbee around, or simply relax under the shade of a palm tree. Looking for something a little different? Check out Miami Beach's fantastic museums. Learn about art, history, and science, all while having a blast. Many museums offer interactive exhibits perfect for curious minds of all ages. Don't forget to grab a souvenir at the gift shop. As the day winds down, get ready for the most magical time in Miami Beach sunset. Find the perfect spot on the sand and watch as the sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of colors. Orange, pink, purple. It's like a painting come to life. This is the perfect time to create lasting memories with your loved ones. Take a family photo with the stunning sunset as your backdrop. Share stories, jokes, and dreams while listening to the gentle rhythm of the waves. These are the moments you'll cherish forever. Miami Beach is more than just a vacation. It's a chance to create unforgettable memories with your family. From building sandcastles to watching breathtaking sunsets, Miami Beach offers the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for some Miami magic. Your family will thank you for it. Remember, life is short and vacations are even shorter. Make the most of every moment and create memories that will last a lifetime. See you on the beach, on the